guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching my video first time, my name is Meena Dhesi and today I'm recreating viral latte makeup. It's everywhere, very trending on TikTok as well. I love latte makeup, kind of this makeup I do almost every day. So guys, I will show you step by step without delay a time. Let's begin. So guys, I always start with my skincare. So before I start to makeup, I'm going to prep my skin. So first I'm going to apply moisturizing from Clinique. Then I'm going to apply sunscreen from Foreverliving Aloe Vera SPF 30. So guys, it's very important to protect your skin from the sun burn and sun rays. Then I'm going to apply primer from MORPHE. Next, I'm going to apply eye serum from the Clinique Roll On. This is very cooling effects to reduce your fine lines, any puffiness, any black circle eyes is help to reduce. So I'm going to leave my skin about 2-3 minutes to absorb all products on my skin. Next, I'm going to apply REVLON Skin Light Face Glow Luminzer. So guys, this is the latte makeup. So this face glow luminzer give you beautiful base. Next, I'm doing color correcting. So I'm using peach color to correct little bit black circle eyes, near mouth, for uneven skin tone. Not too much, very light. I'm going to apply. Then I'm going to blend out with my finger. Use color correcting according to your skin conditions. So I'm going to let it dry a few minutes. Next, I'm going to apply foundation from NYX Born to Glow Caramel. So I'm going to mix two foundations. So another one I'm going to use from Max Factor X Second Skin 05 Medium. So taking one pump. Then I'm going to mix properly. Then I'm going to apply with my finger. To blend out with my favorite foundation brush. You can blend out with the damp beauty sponge. Next, I'm going to apply concealer from Mabellin Fit Me. Then I'm going to apply under my eyes. And forehead, in my chin and near mouth. Then I'm going to leave concealer to a little bit tacky. Next, I'm going to apply cream contour from Silk. Then I'm going to use little bit dark color. Then I'm going to apply in my cheekbone. This is very creamy, very nice. Blend out very nicely. So guys, I don't know, it's funny. The latte makeup viral at the moment is crazy. This makeup look almost I'm doing every day. Then I'm going to apply in my jawline as well. Next, I'm going to blend out concealer. I'm using small beauty sponge to blend out. You can use a small brush to blend out. Next, I'm doing my eyebrows. So guys, I'm keeping my eyebrow very natural, very light. So first I'm taking a spoolie and comb upward. I'm using eye pencil from MUA Micro Define Pencil. Then I'm going to fill all sparse area very slightly. Next, I'm going to apply same concealer on top of my eyelids. Then I'm going to blend out with a small beauty sponge. You can use a small brush to blend out. Then I'm going to let it dry a few minutes. Next, I'm going to apply loose translucent powder from MUA. This is very nice powder, very lightweight. I'm using powder puff to apply. Then I'm going to apply under my eyes first before it start to crease, and need to set up the concealer before it start to crease. Slightly I'm going to apply. After that, I'm going to baking today. If you got oily skin, you can apply whole face, very slightly, very less amount, and in my eyelid as well. Very important to set the concealer. Then I'm taking clean brush to apply in my forehead, near nose and near my mouth. For baking, I'm using from e.l.f. setting powder. Then I'm going to apply under my eyes and in cheekbone. So guys, this makeup is main focus on the eye makeup, latte makeup look. So latte is not like a brown or orange. It might be little bit mustardy and little bit orangey. So today I'm going to use Latte for guidance. So first color I'm using this one, light mustardy color or caramel color, little bit. So I'm just going to apply in my eye crease first. Very slightly I'm going to apply. Second color I'm taking dark brown color. Then I'm going to apply outer corner of my eyes to give extra intense and smoky effects. So by the way, I'm using from MORPHE 35S Sweet Oasis eyeshadow palette. Sorry, I forgot to sew. Then I'm just going to apply outer corner of my eyes. Third color, I'm using little bit gold shimmer color. Then I'm using my finger. Then I'm just going to apply middle of the eyelid. Then I'm going to use brush to blend out. So guys, I done my eye makeup. Very super simple. Next, I'm going to clean all powder. Next, I'm going to apply eye pencil from MUA. If you got brown pencil, you can apply. I haven't got brown pencil. Next, I'm going to apply same dark color eyeshadow. Then I'm going to apply low lashes. Next, I'm going to apply mascara from MUA Define Lengthening Mascara. So guys, you can apply false eyelashes as well, but I'm not going to apply. Next, I'm going to apply bronzer. Then I'm going to set up the cream contour. Make sure you blend up properly. Next, I'm going to apply blush. So I'm going to use very little orangey color brush. This is from REVLON Ultra Blush. Very slightly I'm going to apply. Next, I'm going to apply highlighter from KIKO Baked Highlighter. Then I'm going to apply top of cheekbone. So next, I'm going to apply lipstick. This is from REVLON Lip Cream. This is dark brown color, chocolatey color. So guys, this is a Latte makeup, so I'm using lip color is a dark brown color. Then I'm going to apply directly from applicator. Next lipstick I'm applying from Huda Beauty Sweet Cheeks. So guys, this is my final look, latte makeup, viral latte makeup. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, everyone take care. Bye bye.